dear students, welcome to your VBPS e-learning class. I hope you all are well, staying safe at home. This is your English period. I'm your English teacher. Today we will study from our English word book. So take out your English word book, open page number 9. Lesson number 2, the magic letter. Today we will do some exercises in the English word book only. You don't have to write it in your English literature copy. And students who don't have their books, they will do it in their rough copies. So students, start the work and then show it to me in the WhatsApp group. Dear students, today we will study from our English word book. Lesson number 2, the magic letter, from page number 9. So take out your English word book and be ready. The moving shadow. Raki, Bilal and Vikram were playing happily in a mango grove behind Bilal's house. There were 3 friends, Raki, Bilal and Vikram, and they were playing happily under a mango tree. Behind means at the back of Bilal's house. Raki saw a shadow move in Bilal's room. There is a shadow moving across the room, said Raki with alarm. Raki saw a person shadow who was moving in Bilal's room. There is a shadow, and she told this matter to both his friends. The light is on too. Now, Bilal, said Vikram. Vikram also saw something, that the room light is on. Mom and Dad are not home. I locked the front door. Who could this be? Said Bilal. Now, Bilal says that his mother and father are not at home. Who could be this? And he himself locked the front door. The shadow moved again. Something was not right. They looked at each other. The shadow was moving, means somebody was moving inside their room. The 3 people, they looked at each other. Keep an eye on the back door, Vikram. We will check the front door. Sing like a bird if you see anything, said Bilal. Bilal says, Vikram, check the back door, and if you find something, some person or some shadow, anything, then you will sing like a bird. This was told by Bilal. Vikram hid behind a tree as Bilal and Raki disappeared. Suddenly 3 men opened the back door and ran. Vikram hid behind means at the back of the tree, and suddenly Bilal and Raki disappeared. Suddenly the 3 men opened the back door and ran. Now, as Bilal told that sang like a bird, so Vikram sang like a coo, coo, sang like a bird. Raki and Bilal came running. What happened? Raki and Bilal came running and asked what happened. Vikram pointed beyond the trees. 3 men just ran out and went that way. Vikram pointed the trees and said 3 men just ran out and went that way. I think they must have heard us when we knocked at the front door, said Raki. Now Raki says that they must have heard when we knocked at the front door. Bilal was relieved. Thank you, dear friends. You saved my house from being robbed. Bilal says, thank you to my dear friends that you saved my home from robbery. Now we will do some exercises and question and answers in the book only. So, open page number 10 and write down classwork. Put the date, that is 31st 5 means May 2021. Now, exercise A. Write T if a statement is true and F if it is false. Number 1. Rakhi, Bilal and Vikram were playing in a mango grove. That is true. Second one. Bilal saw a moving shadow across the room. False. Vikram and Rakhi checked the front door. False. No, they knocked the front door. Vikram sang coo coo coo. That is true. Nobody was at Bilal's home. No, Bilal was there. Bilal caught all the thieves on his own. False. Students, write the full form of true and false. Otherwise, I will not check it. Now, exercise B. Answer the given questions. Number 1. What did Rakhi see while playing with Vikram and Bilal? Rakhi saw a shadow moving across a room in Bilal's house. Second one. What did the three friends plan? Bilal and Rakhi planned to check the front door. Bilal asked Vikram to keep an eye on the front door. Bilal also asked Vikram to sing like a bird if he saw anything. Now third one. What did Vikram see? How did he alert his friend? Vikram saw three men open the back door and run. He sang coo coo to alert his friends. Now, fourth one. How did the thieves escape? The thieves ran out of the back door. Now, fifth one. What did Bilal do after the thieves ran away? Bilal thanked his friend for saving his house from being robbed. That's all for today, students. Do this work in your English workbook, okay? You don't have to write it in your English literature copy, okay? Do this work in your English workbook and then show it to me in the WhatsApp group. Students, your homework is learn the exercise A and B from the lesson 2, the magic letter. And students, those who don't have their books, they will do it in their rough copies and then show it to me in the WhatsApp group. That's all for today, students. Have a good day. Thank you.